Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create a Krisp AI account in 2026. If you're new to Krisp AI and want to use its noise cancellation, meeting assistant, and transcription features, this guide will walk you through the account setup process step by step. First, open your web browser and visit the official Krisp AI website. Once the homepage loads, click the Sign Up or Get Started button to begin creating your account. Next, choose your preferred sign-up method. You can register using your email address or continue with a supported account, such as Google, if that option is available. Now enter your name, email address, and create a strong password if you're signing up with email. Double-check your information before moving to the next step. Next, click Create Account or Continue. Krisp AI may send a verification email to confirm your email address. Open the email and click the verification link to activate your account. Once your account is verified, sign in using your new credentials. You may be asked to complete a quick setup by selecting your preferences or downloading the Krisp AI desktop application. After the setup is complete, take a few minutes to explore the dashboard and review the available features, settings, and account options. Finally, update your profile information if needed, and you're ready to start using Krisp AI for meetings, calls, and audio enhancement. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create a Krisp AI account step by step. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this.